Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Archery Mark. Thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, I'm back again. Back like I never left. I know guys. Well, without wasting much time, uh yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel after a very long time of not posting. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So, today we are going to learn just a very simple topic, and this is concerning our bathing or showering, if you can relate to that. So we are just going to learn a few items that I have in front of me, and yeah, without wasting much time, let's go ahead. We are going to start with showering or taking a shower. How do we say taking a shower in Kikuyu? Wedaba. Wedaba. Taking a shower. Wedaba. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, this is going to be quite difficult. Huh? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Wedaba. This is how we call wedaba. Let me try. This is definitely not going to work as I thought. But yeah, wedaba is the name we give to taking a shower, taking a bath, or basically just cleaning up yourself. Wedaba. 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 So, the other, oh. Wedaba. Now, wedaba, we have already seen. The other thing is water. When you take a shower or you take a bath, you need water. Basically, just you need water for all this to happen. How do we call water in Kikuyu? My is the name we give to water. Oh, this one is working. My is water. Wedaba na mai, to wash or to bathe with water or to shower with water. Wedaba na mai. Wedaba na mai. Now the third item that we need for taking a shower or taking a bath is soap. Soap. We need soap. You might need this kind of shower gel, of course. You might need bar soap, whatever that you have with you. How do we call the soap in our Kikuyu language? Dafuni. Dafuni. This is the soap. Dafuni. Dafuni. Some people call that damuni. 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 You can either say dafuni or damuni. This is how it's written. Dafuni wa wedaba. Dafuni wa wedaba. Basically, showering soap or gel or liquid, whatever you have. Dafuni wa wedaba. Dafuni wa wedaba. Now, we are already taking a shower. So the other item we will need is a face towel. A face towel. We always need something to scrub ourselves, to remove the dirt and the dead cells and all that. This one is called Gitabaya. Yeah, withaba. Gitabaya. Yeah, withaba. Now, you can either call this Gitabaya. Yeah, withaba. Or some people say Gatabaya. Ga wekumuda. Gatabaya. Ga wekumuda. It's like a face scrubbing towel or a body scrubbing towel or whichever. It's just gatabaya gawidaba or gitabaya gya wedaba. Gitabaya gya wedaba. I don't know if you can see that. So let's go ahead. Now, the next item that we will need after we scrub ourselves, we have applied soap, we have scrubbed ourselves. Of course, you will rinse yourself with water, and then after that, you'll be done. Once you're done, you need a towel. A towel like this. This is what you need. How do we call a towel in Kikuyu? Tauro. Tauro. This is a towel. Tauro. 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 Very simple. Tauro. Tauro is a towel. It's just written like so. Tauro. Tauro. Now, we are done with taking a shower, drying ourselves with the towel. The other item we will need, not everybody who needs that. Some need them, some need this thing, some don't. The other item is a cream or a body cream or body jelly. Well, just something to moisturize your skin, your body, to relax. People are different. They will either use the body cream like this one, or they will need like jelly, whichever. So how do we call this in Kikuyu? Maguta. Maguta. Maguta ma kwehaka. Kwehaka is applying. Applying. Maguta ma kwehaka. That is simply how we call body cream, body jelly, whatever you need, body oil. Yeah. Maguta. Maguta ma kwehaka. Maguta ma kwehaka. Kwehaka is applying. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching until this far. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and also to comment down there. So, I really appreciate your time, and until we meet again next time, bye-bye. Have a nice day wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.